Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to add multiple email accounts on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from this app list, just open the mail app. Then tap on mail accounts. Now to add multiple email accounts, just tap on add account, then select choose from a list. Now from here, just select your email provider. For example, I will select Google, then select Open Browser. Now in this section, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on Done. After that, just tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email address. Now once you enter the password of your email address, just tap on Done, then tap on Next. Now just tap on Continue. Now just enable the toggle for the services which you want to use this email for. For now, I will only enable mail, then tap on Save. Now, as you can see, this is how you can add multiple email accounts on your iPhone. Now, if you go to the home screen and open the Mail app, you will find all your emails over here. And this is how you can add multiple email accounts on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.